Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel and it is the Bijou Box. So if you're new to the Bijou Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in their March box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Bijou Box was founded by Louise, who also owns a beauty business. She wanted to create a box that simplified self-care and pampering. And inside the box you will find a mix of beauty, skincare, body care, some sweet treats and some self-care products as well. This is a seasonal box, so it comes out every 3 months and you receive 4 boxes a year, and inside you will find 6 full-size products, all from independent UK businesses. This is a UK only subscription and the cost of a box is £39, or you're able to purchase a one-off box for £45 if you don't want to commit to a subscription. And they also offer an annual subscription for £140, and there's free shipping included in all those costs. You will find tutorials and guides on how to use all the products inside their boxes, on all their social media channels, blog articles, newsletters, and on their website to help you feel more like a part of the Bijou community family. Bijou Box have kindly given me a code which will entitle you to receive a free extra beauty product when you first take out a subscription or a one-off box, and that is Beauty Geek Freebie. I'll have all links and everything related to this box and my code down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. I've had a quick look, but I don't like to delve in completely on my own. I like to share my excitement for opening up the products with you. So although I know what's inside, I haven't actually opened things up properly then, if you know what I mean. So in every box you receive a leaflet and it tells you everything about the product, so I'll refer to that as we go along. And just giving you a sneak peek. Just a sneak peek. It says, welcome to the Spring Fling edition of Bijou Box, and before we go any further I need to make a confession. I've got to give credit to my mum for suggesting Spring Fling as a theme for this box. I loved her idea, but the big question was, who would you have a Spring Fling with? Well, as Bijou Box is all about you making time for yourselves, it makes perfect sense that we should all have one love affair with ourselves. With that thought in mind, I set about packing this Bijou Box full of items that would help you either take the time to reconnect with yourself, challenge you, relax you, or simply just help give you a pamper. However you use the items in this Bijou Box, I hope that you enjoy your love affair with yourself and long may it continue. Louise at the Bijou Box. So the first item in the box is a mini embroidery kit, and this is by the Make Arcade, printed fabric included. It's designed and made in the UK. What an amazing idea. It's got everything you need in there and the instructions to make a little embroidery. Let's see what this is like inside. I just love these things. Just a little craft time. So we've got a little needle there. We've got some thread. Then we've got the frame. Got some felt, and we've got the design. What's it say? You have the power. I think that's really, really lovely. And then it's got the instructions here. It's got a template here, is it? Yeah, it sort of tells you. So, foolproof, apparently. I think it's brilliant having something like this in a sort of self-care pamper box. It's great. It's a craft activity. When you do this, your mind is going to be fixed on doing this and nothing else. So perfect for if you need a little quiet downtime. Yeah, I do really like that. It says here, founder of the Make Arcade, Ruth Oliver is a lifelong crafter and sewer and wants to share and pass on her skills and knowledge to enable the pleasure of sewing and making to continue to new generations. Express your creativity by stitching a piece of assertive and inspiring embroidery artwork. Celebrate your own magic. Challenge yourself to try something new, then sit back and admire what you've achieved. After all, you have the power. And it says this kit is for beginners, and it's got everything you need to create it in here. And it says once you've completed it, feel free to post it on all your social media. You've earned the bragging rights. So there's the kit. Whoop. So that's the first item in the box. Now when I had a look at this, I wasn't sure if this was to eat or to wash with. Oh, if it's chocolate, that would be gorgeous. Self-care is the new going out. So I'm sure it's an edible treat here. Nice chunk of chocolate. Ruby chocolate bar made exclusively for the Bijou Box by Chocolate Moments. Using delicious ruby and white chocolate to bring you a delicious bar, hand decorated with yummy sweets and a dash of sass. Snuggle down in your best PJs and fluffy socks to enjoy this bar. After all, self-care is the new going out. Oh, let's try that. That is so nice. It's like raspberry white chocolate. That is really nice. I'm going to pop it back in now. I'll have that later. Next, we've got a skincare product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, and we've got 50 mils here. Now, I've tried this before and it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's got a seal on it. Now, the thing is with Dr. Botanicals is that they do some amazing skincare products, but all the products are natural, and they say as soon as you start using it, you've got 6 months to use it and then you've got to chuck it away, because it's got a seal on there, and I know we've got one downstairs in our bathroom, so I'm not going to be opening that up. It's a multi-purpose balm and it smells absolutely stunning, and you can put it on like any dry areas on your hands, like your knuckles, your cuticles, etc. You can even put it, I'm sure it might say here, you can put it like on your hair and things like that. But let's see what it says. It says the 96% natural formulation is packed full of minerals, antioxidants and vitamins which work together to rejuvenate, renew and invigorate dull and dry skin. It says one of the reasons why I love this product is that it can be used as a moisturizer and as a treatment. I'm a big fan of multi-use products. You can use this as a facial moisturizer or apply to dry and cracked areas like your lips, heels and elbows to help treat them, and then finally it can be used as a cleanser. The Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter is an ideal choice to show your skin some love. I've never used it as a cleanser. Never used it as a cleanser. We just use it just for like our cuticles, our hands or lips or something. But yeah, it is nice. I particularly like the smell. I'm obsessed with lemons. So we've got a multi-purpose balm. Next we've got a bracelet. This is Little Wishes by Molly and Lizzie. It says, you're amazing. Tie this bracelet around your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish. When the string starts to fray, you know your wish is on its way. How lovely is that? I've just unboxed, actually, you might be familiar with what I'm wearing and what I look like. I've just unboxed a different subscription box and they had something very similar from a different company, but very similar. And I just thought it was so sweet. It is so, so sweet. So this could be used for yourself, or you could pass it on to a loved one or something as a little nice gift. But yeah, you just tie it around your wrist there. You've got a little star. To help you remember and to give you a wish, I sent you this cute bracelet to remind you of how amazing you are. Make your wish, tie it on, and whenever you look at it, remember that you are a badass. P.S. When the thread begins to fray, your wish has been granted, just as it says on there. So you've got a Make-A-Wish bracelet. Next, we've got a self-heating eye mask. And this is by spacemasks.com, and this is Interstellar Relaxation. Now, I've tried these a few times. I've received them quite a few times in different subscription boxes, and they are fab. So it starts to self-heat as soon as you open it up and take them out. You hook them behind your ears and you just chill out and relax with this mask on, and it feels so, so nice. Now, they don't make me fall asleep. I find it really difficult to get to sleep, so they don't help me in that sense, but I do like them for relaxation, especially if I've got a headache. We have got quite, I mean, me and my daughter, the boys in the house aren't really fussed, but my daughter who's 14, she's nearly 15, she loves these. So we've got a little box of them, so we keep them all in there, so whenever we've got a headache, or she uses them regularly to go to sleep, so we'll just dip in and out whenever we need them. But they are really nice. They usually come in packs of 5, I think, for about £15. It says here, drift off as you enjoy approximately 15 minutes of otherworldly warmth while your mind floats in space. They do last longer than 15 minutes, and we wear them for longer than 15 minutes. But yeah, so you got a space mask there. The soft jasmine smell helps to transport you elsewhere, and at the end of the treatment you will feel truly energized. You've got an eye mask. And lastly, we've got an eyeshadow palette. And this is by Jolie Beauty. I've never heard of this brand before, so it's brand new to me. If you've heard of Jolie Beauty, please let me know down in the comments what you think of it, and if you recommend any of their other products. So this is Radiance. I haven't opened it up yet. It says here, the Radiance Palette contains gorgeous sunny tones, perfect for creating those beautiful warm tone looks. Pops of yellow, mustard and copper add interest to the diverse yet extremely wearable colour story. This palette also contains many textures, creamy mattes, popping satins and shimmers, plus 2 of our infamous pressed glitters. Okay. It's got down here, it's cruelty free as well. It looks really pretty. It's got a mirror, but I'm giving you first look. There. See the mirror down there and my camera. But yeah, those are the shades from behind, looking in the viewfinder. They look really nice. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that colour. Flaming. That is stunning. Oh, they've got a really nice base shade as well. A really nice base shade there, creamy, sunshine. Try a flaming. Look. Let's try Date Night, which is a pressed glitter. It looks stunning. We'll try the Crystal, which is a creamy, gorgeous sort of shimmery shade. And we'll try the Smitten, which is like a coral colour. They're there. Let's see what they look like on. Wow, that orange, I cannot wait to try that on my lids. Those colours are really pretty, really pretty. I get so excited with eyeshadow palettes. So what can I tell you about this palette? Anything extra? Create gorgeous daytime looks or turn it up a notch for an evening Zoom call with the girls. All of this and the fact that it's cruelty free and vegan makes the Radiance palette one you will reach for over and over. I was so keen to feature this in the Spring Fling Bijou box because makeup can be a fun thing to use to express yourself creatively. Yes, I understand that. I ended up doing little wings this morning. I was thinking, yeah, just do like I was going to go for a red lip and very subtle, sort of very fine wing. Obviously, clearly, it didn't go to plan and I got 2 massive wings. So my makeup went out the window there a bit, but then I pulled it back. So yeah, I just love messing around. I love the name of this palette, as we all have a light that shines from within, and I hope every time you reach for this palette you remember that. I love that. I think that's fab. I do really like it. So those are all the products, but before I do a bit of a recap, they've got a sneak peek for the next box, which will be shipping on the 1st of June. And it's Daily Care Bamboo Face Pads by Bamboo Babe. Using these little pads can save 2,600 cotton pads from going to landfill. You'll get 10 super soft rounds in your pack, and each of these can be used over 200 times. The size of these are just perfect, and they can be used exactly how you use cotton pads now, but you don't throw them away. So that's a sneak peek for the next box. So I'm just going to do a bit of a recap. So we've got a mini embroidery kit. We've got a rose and white chocolate bar. We've got a Dr. Botanicals all-in-one lemon superfood balm. We've got a You Are Amazing Little Wishes white bracelet. We've got a self-heating eye mask by Space Masks. And we've got a Radiance palette by Jolie Beauty. Looking at the products in the box, I do think it's a really lovely box. There's a bit of everything, isn't there? Definitely a self-care, self-love type of box there. You've got makeup. Always exciting to have a bit of makeup, in my opinion, in the box. You've got a skincare product, which is a multi-purpose balm. We've got eye mask, a bracelet, a chocolate, and also the embroidery kit, which I do think is amazing. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to the Bijou box, or have you subscribed in the past? I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you thought of it, and also what you think about it now. Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.